Ladakh. Ladakh has always been a dream destination for all. People rush to this place whenever possible, be it the magnificent snow-clad mountains, or the gorgeous lakes, or the beautiful valleys of Ladakh. All touch us to the depth of our heart. While you are planning to visit this exotic land, you might be wondering what could be the best time to visit Ladakh. While a few people propose summers to be the best time to visit the place when the climate is most energizing and obliging, when the snow has softened and there is a buzz of movement with the brilliant and dynamic Hemis festival. Then again, there are a few for whom winters have their own particular appeal, with the snow-covered mountains offering some of the best views. Winter is also the time to enjoy the most beautiful and adventurous trek in the world, the Chadar Trek. Here is the list of the best places to visit in Leh Ladakh. Zaskar Valley. It is an isolated region famed for its mountains and stunning landscape. This relatively unexplored region in Ladakh has a pleasant climate, beautiful views and glimmering rivers, which makes it perfect for a holiday. Also, the tributaries of Jaskar River is one of the most famous spots for river rafting in India. Best time to visit Jaskar Valley is June to September, when the roads are clear of snow. Pangong Lake. It is an intense blue lake in the middle of the mountains. Recent Bollywood movies have made this a well-known spot. The lake offers an awesome site for camping and is the current hotspot for all tourists, making it one of the best tourist attractions in Ladakh. The lake is also an important breeding ground for several migratory birds. Pangong is a remote area and the lake also freezes during the winters. Khardungla Pass. It is a gateway which leads to Nubra and Shaik valleys. Though Khardungla is not a typical tourist place to visit, but it is a must-visit place for adventure junkies. Managed by BRO, Khardungla Pass is the gateway to the north and one of the most difficult yet thrilling pass to ride on. Khardungla is the world's highest motorable pass. Best time to visit Khardungla Pass is between May to September. Nubra Valley. It is another very popular tourist spot for those who are visiting Ladakh. Its proximity to Leh makes it easy to visit. It is also known as the Orchard of Ladakh. Nubra Valley is remote yet draws tourists who come to see places like the Diskit Monastery, Hundra Monastery, Maitreya Buddha statue, etc. It is also famous for two-humped camels and their rides. Punamik village in Nubra Valley is famous for hot sulfur spring. Best time to visit is between July to September. Chadar Trek. Just think of walk on a frozen lake. Chadar Trek provides one of the unbelievable and exciting experience. Chadar refers to a blanket because in winter the popular Jaskar River in Ladakh freezes to a blanket of ice. Come to witness the transformation of colors of this frozen river while you trek on it. The mild blue color changes to light yellow when the sun shines directly on it for a few hours in the day. It looks milky white on a moonlit night. The Chadar trek is said to be one of the most adventurous and toughest trek. The trek can be started from Leh side as well as from the Jaskar side. January and February are the best months to visit this place for trekking. Apart from these, you can also visit places like Kargil, Dras, Shanti Stupa, Magnetic Hill on the Leh Kargil Srinagar highway, and many others.